In today's video, I will share some very useful tips with you guys how you can get your first sale on Redbubble. Hey guys, what's up? This is me Wish. I have been print on demand business more than a year. I have also made $12,000 and making more money than that. I am here making print on demand content in order to motivate you guys and give you the right tips and tricks. So guys, hit that subscribe button and also like and comment is appreciated. So let's get started. The number one useful tip to get sales on Redbubble is make sticker packs or make sticker as your front image. As you will make stickers as your front image, it will increase your chances of sale up to 50%. Yes guys, make stickers. Sticker has a lot of importance on Redbubble, and as I have already told you guys that I get most of my sales from stickers or from sticker packs. So make sticker as your front image. Also make a lot of sticker packs on the designs or the trends I have told you in my past videos, and on the trends of the week videos. Make designs on with sticker packs as well, and guys, sticker packs will definitely get you your first sale. The number second very useful tip is make at least 100 designs if you want to get your first sale. After 100 designs, you guys will be able to get which product or design is selling best. Then start making designs related to them, and then you will get your right niche and you will start getting your first sale. Redbubble, in my opinion, is just a number game. Put as much designs as you can. It just needs consistency and the sales will start jumping in and you will start getting sales. When I started Redbubble, I just upload initially like 10 designs every day, and with the passage of time with it starts increasing, and when my designs get more in number, then I start getting more sales, and it will just gradually become more and more, and I start getting more and more money. So guys, make at least 100 designs, so then you will be able to guess which designs are selling best. The number third tip is to place designs with right dimension. I choose 9000 by 9000 length width dimensions. Moreover guys, place designs in the middle of the product, or you can easily guess on which side it is looking good or on the product. Most of the shop I have visited, I just saw there is a lot of designs which are not looking good on the products. People just place designs on the products and they just don't get bother, are these looking good, are up to the mark, or these designs are with compatibility of the product. So guys, make sure you put designs according to the product and just check the dimensions and place it out on the middle part or the part which design suits the product. So this is it guys from my side. Thank you for watching my video till this end, and guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. In the end guys, keep supporting me and have a good day. Cheers.